Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. A 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor has actually been imagined rolling down the production line at the carmaker's Michigan assembly plant, providing us with our very first opportunity to see the pickup in U.S. requirements. While the latest generation Ford Ranger Raptor is already offered in markets consisting of Australia and throughout Europe, Americans have needed to wait a bit longer. This particular Ranger Raptor is believed to either be a pre-production model or could be a production spec example for the United States market. The images were shared online via the Ranger 6G discussion forum and also show the pickup completed in cactus gray. It looks virtually identical to the model sold elsewhere, yet does have orange reflectors in the front fenders. The third brake light has actually additionally been moved from the tailgate to the top of the taxi. It also looks like the United States version will certainly have a tiny sliding rear home window. The cabin of the model looks really familiar and also is embellished with a number of sporty trimmings, consisting of red accents around the air vents, a red 12 o'clock stripe on the guiding wheel, as well as red stitching on the seats, dashboard, and also gear shifter. Powertrain details stay unconfirmed, yet we anticipate the same twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 of the Australian as well as European versions to be basic. In Australia, this engine benefits 392 horsepower as well as 430 lb-ft, 583 Nm, while being limited to a mere 288 horsepower and 362 lb-ft, 491 Nm, in Europe due to rigorous exhaust requirements. We presume the US design might have just as much power as the Bronco Raptor, which is rated at 418 horsepower and also 440 lb-ft, 596 Nm, of torque. Last week, records emerged suggesting that production of the North American version of the Ranger and also Ranger Raptor would begin on July 10th, with deliveries penciled in for August or September. If real, that means this is certainly a pre-production model. Thank you for watching.